Join Kids Hut Stories.
In a sunny pond near a big tree, a group of frogs leapt, splashed, and croaked joyfully. Not far away, a curious mouse peered from the grass. Those frogs sure look like they're having fun, the mouse thought. Maybe I could join them. With a deep breath, the mouse scampered toward the water's edge and called out, "Hey frogs, can I play too?" The frogs stopped and stared. "You're not like us," one said. "You have no webbed feet." Another laughed. "You can't even swim." The mouse frowned. "I may not look like you, but I can be fun too." The frogs smirked. "All right then, prove it." They dared the mouse to do a splash dive, leap from rock to rock, and croak as loud as possible. The mouse tried her best, but she slipped off the rock, squeaked instead of croaked, and landed with a plop in the shallow end of the pond. The frogs laughed and swam off. The mouse, soaked and embarrassed, sat by herself on a lily pad. "I thought I could fit in," she whispered. Just then, a shadow passed overhead. A hawk was circling above. The frogs froze. "Quick, hide!" But one small frog was out too far and didn't hear the warning. The mouse saw it happening and acted fast. She leapt onto a log, squeaked loudly, and waved a reed to distract the hawk. The hawk turned, confused by the noise, then flew away. The small frog swam back, shaking. "You saved me." The frogs gathered around the mouse. "You were brave," one said softly. "You didn't need to swim like us or croak like us," said another. "You helped when it mattered." The mouse smiled. "I may not be a frog, but I'm still me." The frogs nodded. From that day on, the mouse was welcome in the pond. She didn't jump as high or swim as fast, but she told great stories, played fun games, and even helped teach young tadpoles how to stay safe. And the frogs? They learned that true friendship isn't about how you look, but what you do when it matters. Don't judge by looks. What's inside makes the biggest splash. If you liked the story, share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting stories that teach us valuable life lessons.